Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Mamaim Governor is Kerala Paspajasa and they have taken time to come here and just to interact with his, but because of some urgency he has to leave early because we had program. आम्ही वो प्रोग्राम केल्लो तुमच्याकडे एक वराचे हे करताले म्हणून पण गव्हर्नराक एक इम्पॉर्टंट मेसेज आयले आनी तांकां वचपाक जाय तरी आसतना तांणी शेड्यूल चुकयनासतना हांगा विजीट करपाचें जालें. I'm very extremely happy the governor is visiting. First time I have seen a governor who can come down and step down to the farms and interact with the farmers, understand the problems that are faced by the farmers, and it is an honor for us because the Honorable His Excellency Governor Saab made his attempts to reach out to every person. Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Honorable Chief Minister, always says that Antoday Tatwachir Amcho Seva Astolyo. The governor is he is practically going to Antoday, the last person of this state. He is reaching out, and we have seen last so many times, so many days that he is visiting every nook and corner of every village and attending to the calls of every person who is in distress. So without taking much of time, हांव सगळ्या फार्मर्सां कल्ला की मन काळजांतल्यान तुम्ही हांगा जमले इतके पयस जमले आसात शेतकी.
He wanted to start his public activities as part of our national freedom movement and other things. 1 year before taking charge of the movement, he traveled throughout India. Through this travel, he studied about India first, and after 1 year, he became the champion of our activities. And I am not in a position to speak you in length. You see, Gandhiji, when in Andhra Pradesh, he was working, this was a part of his travel. Then he had occasion to see one river, I am not remembering its name. Then he was washing his face in the river. On the opposite side, he saw a beautiful lady that aged about 30 or something. She was, after washing her one clothes, after that she was put her both hands in this and waiting, at that time waiting for eyes dry up and other things are there. That spur of a moment there is a change in his mind. He was wearing overcoat, suit and other things like we are all of us. But he decided to give up his life like that, and we all know a type of dhoti and pancha, and one is for on his upper say wearing. So I visited a place wherein history shows remarkable background. So I am very happy to visit here and this temple, and it is properly maintained also. On the top of this hill, I congratulate the temple people who are having the administration of the temple. Very well maintained temple. I'm very happy. And nowadays everybody is busy during this schedule of busy activities. If coming to this place in the evening and other side, look into other places. It mental satisfaction and our commitment to the nature also is declared by this temple. In addition to our deity, deity also Swayambhu, that means originated, not any idol placed by somebody. Swayambhu is there. So it got a very great satisfaction with respect to this today's visit. And government is also doing what the ministries of the so he can do a lot of things, and I am sure that he is part and parcel of this temple.